given what's happening right now on the ground. No? So, binibrief na po namin as we speak right now yung aming mga grupo preparatory po sa ating pilot run over the weekend na mga ilang rota dito sa Metro Manila. And if everything looks good, then handa na tayo. I understand around 14,000 gas stations will be involved in this program. It's never been done before, but it's something that all our transport sector is looking forward to. Kasi 10 piso, maliit na bagay lang po yung tutusin. Pero that would start them off for the day. Yung 300, yung 30 liters a day sa 10 piso bawat litro, that's around 300. But can start them off to roll in para makapag-collecta mo sila. So this is one of many programs na nakahilera po sa ating gobyerno. One of which, and ito rin isa rin ito binabantayan ng ating mga mananakay, ng ating mga operators, yung service contracting program which will start on April 15. Kasama po dito yung EDSA busway, kasama rito over 840 routes nationwide initially. No? Out of these 840 routes nationwide, jeepney and UV Express runs, mga 543, if I'm not mistaken, are Metro Manila, Rizal, Cavite, and Laguna ang mga apektuhan po yan dito sa immediate vicinity. The other 300 dito po sa ating ibang lugar sa buong Pilipinas. So we're ready to roll this out already. Nandiyan na po ang pondo. Ang mechanics na to is being laid out already. Babayaran po natin kahit sa ating presidente from anywhere between 30 to 100 pesos per kilometer. Depende po sa type of vehicle. No? Ang bus po nasa 100, yung traditional jeeps po natin 30, ang modern jeeps po natin 40 per kilometer.